Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shantina. So today's video is going to be all about the benefits of collagen peptides. I'm going to talk to you about my experience with collagen peptides. I'm going to give you my 4-year update of taking collagen peptides. And I'm also going to be talking to you, I've started taking another brand of collagen peptides. And I want to give you a side-by-side comparison. Okay, and give you an update as to if I'm going to continue to take my old collagen peptide or I'm going to go ahead and stick with this new collagen peptide that I've been taking. It's not new to the market, but it's new to me. All right, so let's just get right on in to this video. So the benefits of collagen peptides is unbelievable. There are some great benefits in taking this supplement, and I've done a few videos on my channel talking all about collagen peptides. And to tell you what collagen peptides is and just give a brief, detailed description of what collagen peptides is, we're going to go ahead and watch just a quick snippet of my very first video that I did on collagen peptides. I'm going to watch that right here. So you ask, what is collagen? Collagen is, well, from my research, I'm not a scientist, biologist, or a doctor, or a nutritionist, but just doing research found that collagen is like the glue that keeps our bodies together. It's found in our hair, our nails, our skin, our bones, our tendons, our ligaments, our digestive lining. It's found all through our bodies. So there you had it. I couldn't have said it better than the very first time I said it, so that's why I wanted you to watch the clip. Over the last 4 years, I have been taking collagen peptides and I've had nothing but great results and have had nothing but a great experience while taking this supplement. My hair is getting thicker. I'm going to show you some pictures here. As you can see, my hair is definitely getting thicker. That was the main reason why I was even taking collagen peptides, is because after doing research, I was like, it can thicken my hair? Oh, I'm here for that. Yeah, so that's even the main reason why. So it definitely has thickened my hair. Check. My skin is doing great. You know, I must admit, I do use some topical collagen peptide ingredients, products. I do use some other ingredients that help with my skin. I do go to a dermatologist and I do drink a lot of water. So I know that also helps with your skin, not just the collagen peptide alone. Okay, and also taking vitamin C with the collagen peptide is A1 because vitamin C is like a building block for the collagen peptide. My nails are very strong, unbreakable. Okay, again, a major good benefit. My nails are looking very good. Another update or benefit is joints. It helps with joint pain, and I'm going to say I noticed immediate results with my joints and how my joints felt after taking the collagen peptides. I'm going to say probably within 2 weeks of taking the collagen peptides consistently every day, I noticed my joints being able to move better, not a lot of cracking. I'm able to, bend down and get things easier. I just noticed that my overall joints and tendons inside my body was just feeling better, and the movement was just easy. And the only thing that I was doing different was taking the collagen peptides. So I noticed an immediate change with my joints with taking collagen peptides. So that is a major plus with taking the collagen peptides. And it's also great for my gut health. My gut is still doing well. I have little episodes here and there, but I don't I don't charge that to the collagen peptides. Sometimes I just don't eat right and then I just mess my stomach up on my own. But collagen peptides help build the lining back in your stomach. So that's why it's really good for your gut health. So over the last 4 years, I've been taking this particular collagen peptides. This is the Sports Research brand of collagen peptides. Been taking this for 4 years straight, okay? I stopped maybe about for a couple of months, but jumped right back on, and I always been taking this. However, doing more research, I started taking, well, for the last maybe about month, for the last month, went on and purchased this Vital Protein Collagen Peptides, and let me give you some comparisons, okay? First of all, this says it is, no, let's do this one first. So here, this collagen peptide, it is a hydrogenized type 1 and 3 collagen, great in coffee and shakes. It's 11 grams of collagen peptides per serving, and you can mix it with hot or cold water, right? It's unflavored. Let's see what else that I can compare. It is 40 calories. It is 10 grams of protein, 60 milligrams of sodium. Love this. It has worked for me so much, and I love, love, love. However, this baby here, now this particular Vital Protein Collagen Peptides went viral in the natural hair community, and I didn't jump on it. I decided to get this one instead, but I wanted to check this one out and see what the big difference was, or what the big deal was, because, you know, this particular one has been working for me for, like I said, 4 years, 4+ years to be honest. But let's look at this one here, okay? Vital Protein Collagen Peptides, okay? First of all, 20 grams of collagen per serving. So that's already a big difference, okay? It is paleo plus keto friendly. It doesn't say that on this one. This is a net weight of 24 ounces, and this was $31, okay? And I was able to find this particular Vital Protein everywhere. Online, on their website, on Amazon. But I got this particular one because I wanted it quickly. I got this at Sam's Club. But what I'm really loving, what my body is really loving, and I do notice a difference, okay, in taking this, you get more collagen in one scoop, okay? So I'm going to have to put this one down for a minute. And I've been taking this one for a month, and I'm going to say I got the same results. I feel great. My hair is still thickening. My nails are still strong. The color is the same. I do notice that the scoops are also different. Let me show you. So this is the scoop to this one, and this is the scoop to the Vital. So you see that it's shorter, and this one has the 20 grams of collagen peptides, and this one is 11 grams of collagen peptides. So I'm excited to see how much my hair or my skin or my nails change. Do I see a big difference? I don't know. I'll come back in a month. I think about 2 months I'll be able to tell for sure if there was a difference, or if I think that this one is better. And that's just based off of experience. I'm not a scientist, dietitian, or any of those things. This is just based off my experience and the results that I'm getting. And I just want to share that with you, just in case you're experiencing the same type of things that I'm experiencing when taking one of these particular collagen peptides. So if you're interested in trying collagen peptides out, either the Sports Research brand or the Vital Protein brand, I will leave some links in the description box. Please feel free to click on them and purchase if you want to. If not, or just do some research. I'm going to say do some research before you purchase any of these things. And if you have any type of health issues, I'm going to say please consult with your doctor to make sure that these particular supplements are not going to be harmful for your health care. Okay, I just want to put that out there. That is a disclaimer because I want you to make sure first and foremost that you are healthy. Okay, you got to be healthy. All right, so thank you so much. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you are still watching, please subscribe to this video. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me in the algorithm. It lets YouTube know that people really want to see this video. Okay. And if you subscribe to me, please turn on your notifications so you will not miss a single video that I put out. Okay. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.